So today we'll start with one more means dynamic arrays. Okay, we'll start with the dynamic arrays. What are these dynamic arrays? We will start. Okay, so normally these packed arrays and unpacked arrays, those are fixed arrays. Okay, so fixed arrays. So we'll start with dynamic arrays. Dynamic arrays. So before going into this dynamic arrays, so I want to tell about there are two types in the anyway if you take the RTL design or system Verilog, there is one compile time, and next one is run time. Okay, what is this compile time and run time? Okay, do you have any idea about compile time?
Compile time, no, sir.
Compile time means non means suppose whenever you are compiling, so that means compile means what you are checking for the any errors, okay, syntax errors, whatever the evaluation is there, that is going to happen in the compile time. Okay, so that means compile time is where your compilation is going on. Okay, compilation is going on. So compilation is going on, and to check the syntax errors. Okay, that means in the RTL design, we see in the run elaborated design. No, we are checking for
Yes,
the
sir.
errors. Any errors are there in the Vivado also. So in the EDA playground also you are running. You are running in the log file. It is checking for any errors. Okay. So whatever the evaluation will be done in the compile time. Okay, evaluation is done. Okay, done in the compile time. Okay, so that means till now whatever we declared the fixed arrays. Okay, those are the packed arrays and unpacked arrays that we declared in which where means we are declared in the compile time. Okay, so runtime means what? Runtime means whatever the major operations. Okay, so whatever the major operations are there, that will be happen in the runtime. Okay, major operations that will be that will be happen in the runtime. Okay, so that means where the runtime will happen means we write initial block now, initial begin. Okay, initial begin block. Okay, these are procedural blocks. Okay, and initial begin block or always block. Okay, so whatever the codes present in the always block are assigned block. So whatever the statements present in the initial begin block or always block or assigned block, this will be comes under runtime. Did you understood what is the compile time and runtime?
Sir.
Okay, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that means here, so for whatever the packed arrays and unpacked arrays, okay, and unpacked arrays, we specify the sizes, whatever the sizes are there, that we specify the sizes in where during the compile time, okay, during the compile time, specify the size during the compile time only, okay, during the compile time, okay. Compile time. Okay, so that means compile time means how you declared. Suppose let us take suppose int I am declaring array, suppose 10. Okay, array 10, and initial array 10 array 10 that I am giving as 1. Array 10 I am giving as 1. Is it valid?
Mm.
You declared the array. You declared the array. So you declared how many locations?
10 locations.
10 locations. Yeah, you declared the 10 locations. So that means here it will start from where 0, 1 to up to so on.
10.
It will come to 9. No,
9.
9. 0 is included. So you are trying to.
Yes.
So what you are trying? You are trying to insert the element in the 10th
10.
location. That is what index is out of bound. No,
Yes, sir.
index is out of bound. Okay, index is out of bound. So that means this code is what not valid. This code.
If it is array 09, it is valid, right?
Array, we need to declare array 11 means it will be valid.
Okay.
Suppose if you declare array 11, it will, you are declaring from where to where? 0 to
0 to 10.
0 to
10.
10. So that means you are inserting the element in the 10th location. Now it is valid. But here if you are declaring with 10 locations means it will start from where? 0. So 0 means 0
0.
to 9 only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So we'll start with the dynamic arrays. So what is this dynamic arrays? So dynamic arrays, actually the syntax is like this. Syntax is data type. So whatever the data type you are using, data type, and array name, and next normally it is represented as by square bracket. Here no size. You not declare any size. Okay, you will not declare any size. Okay, so example how you write means let us take int. Okay, int is my data type. Dyn. Okay, dyn underscore array. Okay, dyn underscore array, and like this I will declare. Okay, so that means in the dynamic array during compile time, so this is very important. In dynamic array during compile time no memory is created. Okay, in dynamic array during compile time. Okay, during compile time no memory is created. No memory is created. Okay, no memory is created during the compile time. Okay, during the compile time no memory is created. So then when the memory is created, so the memory is created during the runtime. Okay, so this is very important thing you need to know about. So the memory, so whatever the memory related to the dynamic array, so memory is created during the runtime. During the runtime. Okay, during the runtime. Okay, so that means how you create the memory means you need to use a keyword called new, again by square bracket. Okay, so that means this is what square bracket.
Mm.
Okay, square bracket. That means here most of the trainees students will confuse. So normally in the oops, so when you create the object, there also you are using when we discuss the oops concept, there also you are using that means you are creating the object for this class. You will use normal bracket, but in the dynamic arrays you need to use which bracket means square bracket. That is the difference between this. There also you are using a new keyword. Okay, for creating the object, but there you will use for creating any object you are using normal bracket. Okay, there I will tell you, but here you are using which bracket? Square bracket.
Square bracket.
Okay, square bracket. So here so that means here how to write means dyn underscore array, that is equal to what? New of 5. So new of 5 means what? 5 locations will be created. Okay, so that means why you are using dynamic array means, suppose here let us take you have some module A and you have some module B. Okay, so module A is trying to send. So there is a like there is a understanding between module A and module B. So module A will tell that I will send 10 packets of data. Okay, I will say, so it will tell to the model B that it will make the agreement that it will send the 10 packets of data. Again, suppose module A will break the agreement and it will try to send, so it will send 20 packets of data. Okay, it will send the 20 packets of data. So what happens when you are using the packed array or unpacked array? So that means again you need to go to the wherever you declared the array, then there you declared the 10 size, again you need to change the 10 size to 20 size. Okay, so that means here it will be time taking. So again it will break the agreement, again it will try to send, so it will tell to the component B that I will send only 5 packets. So again, it will go to their either it may be packed array, unpacked array. So again, you should go. They will it will decrease the number of size to 5. Okay. So that means here what happens when you are using dynamic array. Dynamically, we can change the size during the runtime. Did you
Hmm.
understand what is the application of this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so dynamically you can change the size during the runtime. Okay, so during this situation we can't use this fixed array. That means packed array and unpacked array. Okay, so that's why we are using dynamic array. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
So we'll go with the coding part. So one second. Yeah, so first we'll see the dynamic array. So this is my first code. So here module dynamic array 0. So I am declaring int dyne 1 0. Initial begin dyne 1 equal to what? I need to declare the dyne 1 with first I need to declare no square bracket. So how the
Square
memory is
bracket.
created between the initial begin and block? I am creating the memory. Dyne 1 equal to 5. So how many locations I created?
5 location and 0th location is 1. Okay.
0th location is 1. 0 to 0 to 5 location is 0 to 4. In this 0th location, I'm trying to insert the element 1 and dollar display the value of dyne 1 is percentage v comma dyne 1. Okay. So if you go to the EDA playground, okay, this is my first code. Okay. So just to copy this and here you paste. Okay. And run this code. So that means here dyne 1 at 0th location 1 will be stored and after that remaining locations will be padded with what? Zeros now.
Zeros. Yeah.
Zeros. Okay. Suppose here what I will do, I will comment this. I am not creating the memory. Okay. So what I will get, I am not creating the dynamic memory. So if I am not creating, it is showing that empty.
Empty. Okay.
Okay. Is it
Because you didn't create the size. Okay.
Yeah, I've not created the dynamic memory during this runtime, so that's why it's showing like memory is empty. Okay, suppose I'm created the memory, so I want to try to store in the dyne 5. Okay, dyne 1 5. So what is the range of the location from 0 to 4 only now?
0 to 4 only.
So I'm trying to store the values out of the bound. So if I see this run this code, so what I'm getting. Actually, like all zeros you are getting. So that
Yeah.
means at fifth location is not there now.
Not there.
So that 9 1 is equal to all zeros you are getting. Okay. Is it fine? This code is fine.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Yeah. Next one is this code. Okay. This code is what I created. Yeah. So dynamically, so dyne one means I created in the initial begin in the runtime. What I'm doing, I'm creating 5 locations, and I'm inserting the elements. That means by using what how to insert the elements. Last class we see no array aggregation method. So this is by using array aggregation method. I'm setting the elements. I'm displaying dollar display the value of dyne one is percentage p comma dyne one. Okay. So this one just copy this and see in the playground and run this code. The value of dyne one is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Understood.
Yeah. Let us take this next one. So I'm creating what? I'm creating one more that is dyne 2. Okay. One more array that is dyne 2. Initial begin. I'm creating in the dyne 1. How many locations? 5 integers.
5 locations.
5 locations I am creating and I'm inserting these values in the dyne 1. I'm trying to copy the dyne 1 into dyne 2.
Dyne 2. Okay.
Okay, dyne 1 into dyne 2 and after that I'm displaying these values dyne 1 and I want to change this values that means dyne 2. Okay,
Okay.
Dine2, and after that I am displaying this Dine2. After that, what I am doing, I am again initializing Dine2 with 10 locations. Okay, and after that, if I want to display, so can you expect what is the output?
So it will be 1 to 10, sir. 1 to 9.
Hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Hmm.
Or it will be 9 to equal to new 10. Maybe that's what I'm thinking.
Okay. Here you done the copy operation, no? Dine1 equal to Dine2.
Yeah.
Next you are changing the values of Dine2 also. Next you are trying to copy the values of Dine2. You want to display the values of Dine2. After that, that means you are creating 10 locations that I am initializing to Dine2. Shall we see this?
Yes, sir.
So just run this. First, what happens? The value of Dine1 is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
1, 2,
And
3, 4. Yeah.
okay. Suppose if I want to if I want to print Dine2, means copy operation is happening. Okay.
Mm.
I want to print this after this copy operation. So what is the value of Dine2? Dine2 means
It
what?
will be same 1 to uh,
Yeah,
3, 5,
Dine2 is
6,
1 to 3. Copy operation is happening. After that,
7.
I updated the value of what? Dine2.
9 to
Updated the value of Dine2 with what? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And after that, I am displaying. And here, what I am doing, I am erasing all the contents and I am creating the new location.
New location. Yes.
So that means that will be allocated with what? All zeros only. That will
All
erase.
zeros only. You didn't give any data. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. I didn't give any data. That means Dine2 equal to new of 10 means what? This will erase the previous elements and create 10 locations dynamically. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. One second. This is array of two. Array of two. Yeah. This is copy operation only. That will be included. Yeah. And next array of three. If you take array of three. Okay. Array of three. Same thing. Array of 4 means here here we created 10 locations means what? So that means 10 this will erase the previous content and that will be means allocated with all zeros without
The all
erasing.
zeros.
Erasing, I want to means I want to means print
Copy
the
the dine 2 into
10 locations.
new location.
Yeah,
Okay.
into new locations. How I am doing
So it
dying to
so
equal.
it will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then all zeros.
Yeah, all zeros. Yeah. So just yeah. So copy this and here save. Run this. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and all zeros. Okay. Is it fine?
Then understood.
Okay. Yeah. So this is one more dynamic array 5. So I am creating two int dyne1 and dyne2. Initial begin dyne1 equal to this value, and I am copying. And after
So then
that,
you're giving you
just concatenation. No, this is like concatenation to combine the array dyne1 and dyne2 values. I can
okay.
use concatenation. Okay. So that means so it will create by using concatenation means what 10 copies will be created and here that is allocated to dyne2. So you want to display the final result means I can use for each loop display dyne2 is percentage the I comma dyne2 of a end and end module. Okay. So just copy this and see in the playground, run this code. Yeah, total how many locations are created. So normally dyne 1 value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dyne 2 value is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So dyne 2 after merging, here what is my
Hmm.
that this dollar display, dyne 2 after merging is what percentage d, dyne 2 comma size. Size is how many each? This is my function, dyne 2 dot size. It will give the size. So total how much size? 10 locations are there. And dyne 2 of 0 to 9 will be, that will be merged by using concatenation. Is it fine? Do you understood
Yeah.
this code?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And one more is this is array 6. So I'm creating array initial begin array equal to new of 5. I'm creating 5 locations. So this is printing by using for each loop only. Okay. So if I want to print by using for each loop, I can use this. Okay.
New. Okay. Yeah.
I can use for each loop. Okay. So just for each array of I dollar display array percentage equal to percentage d I comma array of I. Okay. So just run this code. Yeah. So that means I am displaying the 5 values
Mhm.
from 0 to 4 into this location. Okay. So this is array 6 and dyne array 7. Dyne array 7 means this is module dynamic array declaration. So I'm declaring bit 7 down to 0 dynamic array 1 into dynamic array 2. Okay. So into dynamic array 2 and initial begin. So dollar display before memory. This is before memory allocation. I want to display the size of array 1 and array 2. Okay. I created means I allocated the memory during the runtime. So I initialized 4 locations for array 1 and 6 locations for array 2, and after that I want to display the size. Okay, after the memory location I am display the size. And array initialization, that means here d underscore array 1 equal to I want to insert. Okay, I want to display means for each loop I can use. Okay, so dollar display, this is d array values. Okay, and next this is for each loop for array 2 values I want to display. Okay, so just copy this and later on run this. So see here, that means first before the location, what is the size of the array? Zeros only. After the memory location, what is the size of the array? Array 1 and
Or
array 2 is 4, 6. And I inserted the elements now. So that means 1, 2,
0, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again after that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3. So here 0, 1, 2, 3. Actually 0, 1, 2, 3. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 values will be inserted. Okay.
Ah, yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So this is array 7. And if you want to see the size of this array, so I can use this function. Okay, dyne2 dot size. Okay, dyne2 dot size. Here what I given, the initialize two dynamic arrays. So dyne1 with 5 locations, dyne1 with inserted the elements and copied, and after that I updated the dyne2 values. Okay, and again after that I will so without erasing, without giving all values to zeros. So just means whatever the dyne 2 values are there, that you are coming into dyne 2 and remaining into zeros. I want to see the size only. Okay. So for this, 1 second. So run this code. So what is the size of the dynamic array? 10.
10.
Okay.
Hmm.
Code we already seen now. Just dyne 1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Dyne 2 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And without making the new locations, I want to so
Copy the values of dyne 2.
dyne 2,
Yeah.
yes, dyne 2. and after that, so I want to see the size of this location, 10 locations. Okay, this is size. And next I want to delete. Okay, so I want to delete. So which one I need to use? Mm, so here I created dyne1 with this value, dyne2 with this values, and dyne2 equal to new of 10 of dyne2. So after that, after size, dyne2 dot delete, to delete the dynamic array 2. Okay, so this function I need to use dyne2 dot delete, and after that I want to see the size, and also I want to see the what are the values in the dyne2. Okay, so just see in the test bench, run this code. So here actually dyne2 is how much, this one, and size is 10. I deleted dyne2 value, that means I deleted all the elements in dyne2. So for this I am using this function dyne2 dot delete. So that will delete all the elements in dyne2. So that means the size of the dyne2 after deleting what are the size of the array, 0, and the value of dyne2 is how much, there is no element in dyne2. Okay, this is delete function. Did you understood how to do this code?
So the dyne2 will be deleted.
Total values will be deleted. Actually, like in the here, what we did, we use this function, no? The function
Okay,
where
the value of dyne2 will be empty. The whole deleted. Okay.
whole delete means value of dyne2 will be empty. Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Understood. Yeah.
Just yeah, delete. And one more, this is also delete two is there. Delete two here, save function. I want to like so previously we already seen, no, this example we already seen. I want to delete array 1 and array 2. Okay, I want to delete this array 1 and array 2. So here just copy this and see in the playground and run this code. First I am creating array 1 is 2 elements and array 2 is 3 elements. Okay, so that means size is how much, 2 3 I mean setting, and 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3. After deleting, what happens, array d underscore array is how much, 0 only. So I want to delete.
Zero only.
So this is the, I can use delete function, and this is copy function. Copy we already seen now. I want to
Yes, sir.
copy the values from dyne1 to dyne2. Okay, I want to display. Okay, one second. So copy this and see in the text page. Run this code. Yeah. So dyne2 is how much? The value of dyne2 is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay.
1 2 3 4 5.
Okay.
Hmm.
So normally, like that means dynamic arrays. So we see in the dynamic arrays, no? So dynamic arrays are what? It's like a unpacked array only. Unpacked array means what? We are declaring the size after the variable, no?
After the
Uh,
variable, yeah.
After the memory variable. So that means in the dynamic arrays, or we can call as what, non-fixed arrays. Non-fixed arrays. Okay, so here these are first dynamic arrays or non-fixed arrays. Okay, so memory is not fixed here. What is this? Memory is not fixed. Memory is not fixed. So dynamically we can change the these are what, unpacked arrays. I told you, no, unpacked array means will represent the size after the variable. Okay,
Variable.
unpacked arrays. Okay, after the variable, that means dimensions are mentioned after the array. So unpacked array means whatever the dimensions are there, that will be represented after the array. That is unpacked arrays. And next you have queues. Next you have queues, and next you have associative arrays. Queues we'll see in the next class. Queues
Okay,
and
sir.
associative arrays. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.